It's another day here in Cali. A lot more chill, but still hot. And I think I found the source of our ant infestation. Okay, they work by the thousands. They're crawling. I say it, crawling. No way. Look. All the way. We have to disrupt the system right here. And then everyone will get confused. All right, bruv, where are we going today?
Going to the Battle Aero to maybe find a wing for my car.
Chug.
I don't make it for my car, but we're gonna look into seeing if we could make something work.
We'll do a makeshift make-do. It's mandatory. Everyone in the Lost Royalty crew has to have a big wing.
Big wing and a wide body?
Big wing, a wide body, and lose your license. Yo, Justin hooking us up with the Hawaiian sun. So ice cold.
Hawaiian sun. I feel like the Old Spice guy.
Look! Kitty, come here, dude. Come here. Maybe I shouldn't. He's stray. Sorry, dude. I have no food. Alright, crazy story time. Kitty! It's okay, dude. Okay, I know better than to film when I'm driving, so I try not to do that here, okay? But this is one of those cases where I shouldn't be filming. Okay, so I saw this truck with a whole bunch of things protruding from the back of it. 2x4s, steel bars, and it just looked like a scene from Final Destination. So I was driving behind this thing, and I thought to myself, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't follow so closely behind this. So I kept my distance. I had what you'd call a premonition. And after I had this premonition, 5 seconds later, boom, 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 3 cars right in front of me, including this truck. Got into an accident. I was so close. And that was just moments after I had this idea go through my head. And then a couple of seconds later, Gutu calls me and asks, yo, dude, were you behind that truck? This heat is getting to everybody. But those guys shouldn't even have been in the fast lane. And whenever you GPS something on Google, it shows you, it tends to show, it usually shows you where all the traffic happens with red indication on the map, right? And it was red in this area, but for what reason, I have no idea. It was just like from one area to the other, it was slow for no reason whatsoever. There was no accident, no one being pulled over, no cops, no construction, so it's weird how life works. All right, here we are at Battle Aero again. We're gonna look for extra parts.
They're my first batch, so I don't know how good the quality is. I'm going through a new person.
No worries, man. Yo, that's a lot, dude. Yo, man.
Everybody.
Hooking us up.
I know you guys have your own banner, but
what?
you guys can give it to someone who Yeah, for instance, if you guys ever want.
It's for you, bro. So this is Caleb, reps for both Mod Infinite and Battle Aero.
Guys,
Want to tell us what Mod Infinite is kind of about?
what Mod Infinite is it's an online business. We're an online shop right now. We carry like high quality performance parts, and we just got on with Michelin and Federal tires. So we carry anything from Olin's to Megan Racing to Battle Aero to Voltex. So yeah, come check us out. Met Battle Aero, John, who owns Battle Aero. I was actually a customer, so I wanted to buy a wing from him. And now things developed, our relationship developed, and now I help him with CAD design and 3D scanning, stuff like that. Mod Infinite, it's mainly online, but Battle Aero, if you guys are in the area, we're in El Monte. Come stop by. Shoot me a message, and I'll send you guys the address, and yeah, we can help you guys get a cool wing setup or anything you guys need.
One more thing. Right now, there's really no like custom Lexus spoiler out there. So me and Caleb are trying to make something happen. We're gonna try to come up with a custom spoiler setup for Lexus IS 350. And if anybody's interested, you could wait for my prototype to come out and see how it turns out. We'll definitely make it happen.
So drop a like.
Drop a like, guys.
All right.
Subscribe.
Thanks for having us over.
Can't wait to see you guys.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll come visit you guys.
Yeah, of course, man. Yeah. Alright, so we're here at Evasive Motorsports. And we hear something rumbling, so we're gonna go check it out. Damn. Yeah, I've been following this on the Gold Rush Rally. It's crazy. They drove this way further than us. God damn. And they got two LC500s here. What the? God. What do you think? I'm gonna cry. This is cool, man.
This looks like the one that we saw.
This was at the San Jose Week Fest show.
This is Brian Donaldson.
Yes. This thing's sick. So cool, man. This place is an inspiration. Actually, I think I ordered my front bumper from here. Really cool, man. And like that kit on that FRS is not something you'd normally see on the street. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's only sold to race teams. Hello, Duggo. You buying something?
Always impulse buying.
There's an invisible puppy day. I swear, man. Unless I'm just seeing things.
I think you're just seeing things.
Evasive hooking us up. Shopping on Fairfax, you know, doing what Los Angeles people do.
Are you still there? To delete this message list.
You want some underwear?
Stated in the
Much
Press 9 to hear more options.
Yo.
Press 0. What are you talking about?
This is LA right now. Dude, what you got? What you got? What? Look at this guard dog. Whoa. Cheater! scooter up from the street. That's crazy. This one at least, actually no, yeah, this one you can just stand.
Yeah.
But you can't like stop. Whereas the Segways, you just stand. That's it?
No more bird.
How does that work? It's just like by minutes? That's it. You literally just leave it.
It's like 15. No, it was like 10 cents your first ride.
Ah.
Or $1.
And you use an app to work this thing?
Yeah.
What?
Unlock.
So if your time's up, they'll just stop and just fling you.
Yeah.
So just like pedal freehand and then there's a go button.
Don't forget to use your bell.
Damn, you going fast, bro. Damn. Everyone be on birds.
Birdie, hop on the bird. Bye, birds. Yeah, man.
Oh, you have to pedal first?
Now sit on it. This is so bad. Oops.
It's your turn, your turn. Oh my god. Woohoo!
Super dangerous.
$5. You want to give it a shot, dude? $5?
How does it work?
For $500 shoot? Damn, bro. Alright, dude, it's all you. That's it. I'm gonna give it a shot. Oh. Press and hold, and then release.
And then when you release, it just goes in and it has to be in the hole.
Alright, dude.
What we do, we actually have the job
Oh, okay. He's in. Alright, bro.
Well, it depends on the balloon that better price.
Said he can bring us 100 shirts tomorrow, 35 apiece. Edison's just gonna bring us what he has for me. But Edison told me that if he sells them to us at 35, they'll probably fit.
I don't think so, man. Some people really have legs.
Maybe.
Think about it. Their own children.
Wait, it's not how you think. It's like so precise. You got that, Gutsu? What you doing up there?
Taking a photo for us.
Angles, man.
Yeah, of course.
The angles.
I got money. I wish I did.
Dude.
Thank you. Appreciate it. My fender's rolled, but with the tens, the tire's pushing it out.
These guys were just randomly up here too, but it's dope.
It's just a matter of making that shot.
Yo, peace out. Yeah, you guys too. Have a good night. Yo, that's dope. Oh man, wish it was a little brighter. Sorry, what was your name?
Art?
Art?
Yeah.
Pleasure,
Nice to
man.
meet you.
Yeah, hope you're having a good night.
You too. Alright, good to meet you.
Owner of this crazy S2K, man. Holy. This thing is intense, man. Let me see if I can get some light on this. Wide body, and of course, it's bagged. Everyone here is bagged. Full tick swing. Super clean, dude. Yo, if you guys want to follow the bill, Boogeyman 1230.
Is it like a
It's a blue flake like within it.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. I never knew you could do that.
I think like he painted, he added like flakes to his clear coat or something.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. Yeah, it's not on
sure,
that.
because that's not blue.
Yeah, exactly.
That's blue.
Yeah.
I can see the tint. That's
Yeah.
crazy. And but you can still see the carbon fiber.
Yeah.
But those are expensive. Tire sticker stuff.
Yeah, my boy actually gave me like a partial sponsorship. Pre-Wheel Squad? Yeah, he does.
Oh, that's cool.
There's a Pre-Wheel Squad. Follow him. Tell him I sent you if you guys know.
Heck yeah.
Pre-Wheel? Pre-Wheel Squad. Pre-Wheel?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, right there, yeah.
Is that a rotary or a bike?
I think maybe he ate shit. Because it doesn't sound like it's running right. He might have eaten shit earlier. That doesn't sound right. Like he's running all fucked up and then no tail light. Yeah, I think he ate shit.
Uh-oh.
He's wearing shorts and a t-shirt too.
Oh man,
That's sketchy.
Yeah, I see that shit all the time.
Yeah.
Go down the backside, then go back home.
Alright, yeah.
It's getting the little lakies. That was fun though. You guys aren't here forever. So.
Yeah.
Push hard.
No, this is like that Japan trip, but American version.
Shit over there too. Fuck, dude.
I just wanted you